Séura smart mirrors are as simple to install and integrate as Séura's other television mirrors. Even for small mirrors, we recommend at least 3 people for installation, 2 to hold the product, while the third makes connections. Refer to the user manual for comprehensive product details and the drawing package for specific dimensions and instructions for your custom product. While all hardware is included with your mirror, here are a few tools you'll want to have on hand. First, verify that the wall has been prepared appropriately and that electrical connections are ready for installation. Install mounting brackets according to instructions shown in your drawing package. Séura's smart mirror connects to standard content sources like cable, satellite, and media players via HDMI and a host of other connection options. The smart module is connected to the display via HDMI and USB. If preferred, this module can be remote located in a closet or cabinet for easy access for updates. To make connections, hold the mirror assembly close to the wall, connect AV and power, and verify functionality. Finally, hang the mirror assembly. Ensure that the brackets are fully engaged and the mirror is secure. If you have additional installation questions, you may contact the Séura support team at 1-800-957-3872.